Hi everyone. I thought I'd do a video on embedding a dictionary into an array and explain how that works and maybe why you would want to do that. So first off, um, let's make an array or a dictionary, and I'll show you why this may be a better way to, or why you wouldn't want to use this. So if you're going to have a dictionary of names, for example, or people's names, right? So let's make a couple fake people here. Um, the problem lies that the key cannot match. So if or duplicate, I should say. So if I were going to have uh, a bunch of first names and last names of people, well, I can't because there's duplicate keys. So I could dictionary little contains duplicate keys. You're not allowed to do that. So, I could obviously change the name of the key and that would clear that up, but um, how difficult is that? And then that kind of defeats the whole point of having the dictionary, right? If you don't know you have all these different keys every time, it makes it harder to iterate or work with that data. So the better way to do this is to put the dictionary in an array. So I'll show you that. So let's do that now. So now we've got an array. That's what these outer brackets are for. And we're declaring a dictionary of string type string. So, and this is, these square brackets here, again, are declaring out so that's the array that contains the array. And everything inside I'm about to type is going to go into that array. So let's type that real quick. So we'll do the same thing we did first time. So first name. And we'll do last name. Oh, and I forgot the comma up here to separate our different elements. And there you go. So no errors this time. And if we want to access those objects, so first we put in what element of the array. So if I do 0, that's the first element. And then I put in the key. Oh, well, I hope so I spelled this right. There we go. There we go. And that's my name comes out. And same thing again. So we'll do the second element this time. Oh, I'm just having spelling problems this morning, aren't I? There we go. And there comes Jim. So that's how that works. And if you want to get a little more fancier, you can do a for loop. So let's do that real quick, and we'll loop through and rip all the values out. So let's first name. There we go. And Dan and Jim come out. So what that's doing, I'll explain that one more time. So what that's doing is it takes the array, it puts each element of the array, so that's 117, 118, pulls that out, and then what it's saying is for each element of the array, look for the key first name and assign that to this variable here. So the first one is Dan, the second one is Jim. That's all captured inside this variable, and then we print that out, and that's where these values come out. And that's that. So you can see it's when you do the dictionary in the array, the dictionary makes a little more sense how you can store values and do with duplicate key names, you know, and makes a little more sense how the data lays out, and you can get to it and pull it back out. So that's it. That's my little video on putting a dictionary inside an array. I hope you found it useful. Let me know what you think. If you like these videos, I'll try to make more. All right. Thanks, everyone. Bye.